To use an auto-clicker on your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, select Switch Control. Next, tap on Switches, then choose Add New Switch. Select Screen and then tap on Full Screen. Under Scanner, tap on Select Item. Now go back to the main Switch Control page and choose Recipes. Tap on Create New Recipe. You will be asked to name your recipe, so go ahead and enter a name. After naming it, tap on Assign a Switch, select Full Screen, and then choose Custom Gesture. Here, tap, double tap, or swipe to create the gesture you want your auto-clicker to perform. Once done, tap Save in the top right corner. Go back one step and tap on Launch Recipe, then select the recipe you just created. Your auto-click recipe is now ready. Now return to the Accessibility main page, scroll down, and make sure Switch Control is turned on. From here, pressing your power button twice will enable Switch Control, and pressing it twice again will disable it. And that's how you can use an auto-clicker on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.